guys, today I'm going to show you how to remove rubberized undercoating the easiest way possible that I can find anyways. So I'm lying under my 3rd gen Firebird here, and the previous owner wanted to undercoat the car, so I've already made one pass with a propane torch and a flat scraper to get the bulk of it, but as you can see there's quite a bit left still. So what you need to do to get the rest of it off is you need your blue propane torch. Definitely get a trigger that's auto on and auto off. It'll save you a lot of time. Spray bottle, Goo Gone Pro Power. I bought everything at the store. This stuff worked the best. And then steel wool and or Scotch-Brite pads. So basically this is how you do the first pass with the scraper. Heat up a small area till you see the rubber turn a little bit darker. Spray it with the Goo Gone. This will actually help cool down so you can use the scraper on the first pass, and then on the second pass I'm just using some steel wool here, and you can see the rubber just turns into nothing with very little effort. Now I'll grab a clean shop rag, and just like that, plan to spend about 2 whole days if the whole car is done, if you want to do a good job. Thanks. Leave some comments if you like it.